So today's episode of Seher Hone Ko Hai delivers emotional heartbreak, dangerous manipulation, and a shocking sacrifice as Mahid finds himself trapped between truth, guilt, and Husna's carefully planned emotional game. The episode begins with tension already running high. Seher desperately tries calming Mahid as police sirens grow louder nearby. Worried, Seher immediately asks Mahid whether he informed the police. Mahid firmly denies it, while at the same time Wasim realizes his escape is almost impossible. Desperate and furious, Wasim makes a deadly decision. Before the police can arrest him, he suddenly points his gun towards Seher. Mahid instantly jumps forward to protect her, but within seconds, Wasim targets Mahid instead. And then comes the shocking moment. Husna suddenly steps in front of Mahid and takes the bullet herself. Everyone freezes in shock. Police officers rush in immediately and arrest Wasim, while Mahid becomes emotionally shaken seeing Husna injured in front of him. But even while lying hurt, Husna quietly begins playing her next emotional move. At the hospital, doctor begins treating her injury. Husna takes full advantage of the emotional atmosphere and starts blaming Wasim for destroying their family. Crying emotionally before Dada Huzur, she says she raised Mahid after Ghazala's death and sacrificed everything for him. Then she adds another emotional layer. Husna claims she regrets doubting Ghazala in the past and feels guilty for poisoning Mahid's mind against his own mother. But behind those tears, fear quietly grows deep inside her. Deep down, Husna worries that Mahid may eventually discover her truth. Nearby, Mahid silently listens while drowning in painful memories. Husna's emotional words slowly reopen old wounds connected to Ghazala. His anger, guilt, and heartbreak all begin crashing together inside him. Heather notices Mahid's silence and gently asks Husna to rest instead of talking continuously. Meanwhile, Seher quietly understands Mahid's emotional struggle better than anyone else. Without dramatic words, she simply stands beside him silently. And that silent support slowly becomes Mahid's biggest emotional strength. But Husna refuses to let Mahid drift away emotionally. She repeatedly calls his name and demands his attention again. Before Mahid can respond properly, Seher steps forward and reminds Husna that Mahid already cleared Ghazala's name despite everything. She says his support proves how deeply he still cares for people important to him. Mahid finally asks about Husna's health with genuine concern. But someone watches all of this silently. Heather grows increasingly frustrated. He begins suspecting that Husna risked her own life mainly to strengthen Mahid's trust in her. Unable to tolerate the emotional manipulation anymore, Heather quietly walks away from the hospital room. Husna immediately notices his reaction and asks Seher to bring him back. Mahid offers to go himself, but Husna quickly stops him and refuses to let him leave her side for even a moment. Seher quietly leaves instead, and Husna immediately uses the opportunity to emotionally pull Mahid closer again. Elsewhere in the hospital, the atmosphere becomes lighter for a short moment when Seher accidentally bumps into Amal. Amal reminds her that their board exam results will arrive tomorrow. Seher instantly becomes nervous, but Amal warmly encourages her and confidently says she will score excellent marks. The two friends hug emotionally while Kausar watches them lovingly from a distance. Soon, another twist quietly changes the situation. A nurse informs Husna that her injury is actually minor. The bullet only touched her flesh and never pierced deeply. Husna becomes worried hearing this. Her dramatic sacrifice may not create emotional impact she hoped for. Meanwhile, Seher informs Mahid that she is leaving for home. At the same time, Parvez secretly meets Safiya, hinting that another hidden conspiracy may already be developing in the background. But the episode's most emotional moment arrives near Ghazala's grave. Mahid stands silently before his mother's grave as years of guilt finally break him emotionally. With tears in his eyes, he apologizes to Ghazala for misunderstanding her, doubting her, and hurting her memory for so long. For the first time, Mahid completely opens his heart, and in that vulnerable moment, viewers can feel that a bigger emotional storm is still waiting ahead. Thank you for watching. Bye.